Oh, tuckered out Dad'll be surprised when he gets this silent robot butler for Father's Day. He won't have to do a thing, except press this button and ask for what he wants. I'll try it out. Take poor old Poop Pop his breakfast in bed. Remember, service with a smile.
Now remember, this is the last time, and only because it's Father's Day.
You work it, Dad.
Hocus pocus and a bibbidi bubbly. Bring me a cigar and the morning paper on the doubly. How about that? An aluminium valet.
Here comes your obedient servant now, Papa mine. Now be careful what you say.
Relax, son. One false move out of that metal monster, and I'll get the can opener.